Hello guys, this is Sanskrit and I study Nate Sander, and today's book is really interesting and very funny also, and all of us favorite. So without wasting any more time, let's get started to our today's video. And our today's topic is related to today's day, means today is the Gopal Kala, means the Dahi Handi. So today I am going to tell you the one story of the Lord Krishna. We all of us knows that he was a very cute kid. He was a very cute children, and uh, he and he eats he eats all the ghee of the all the butter of all gopikas, and gopikas made the butter from uh, milk, and Krishna eat that all butter. So today I'm going to tell the little story about the little Krishna. And we all of us knows that he was a very cute children, and he is also very powerful children, means he was a god, and he is a god. So today I'm going to tell you the one story about little Krishna, and without wasting any more time, let's get started to today's video, means our today's story. And today I am going to tell you the story about that how the Lord Krishna uh, how the Lord how Lord Krishna da, fight with the Putana. And without wasting any more time, let's get started to today's story. So we all of us knows that the Kans is the uncle of the Krishna, and the from the Brahma tells to Kans that the eighth son of the Draupadi will kill you, and then when he born, after that when he want to kill you, and he kills you, then you die. Brahma tell to Counts, and Kans is too much afraid by listening this all things, and he thought that to keep Draupadi and his to keep Draupadi and his and her husband into the prison, means into the jail. So he kept that two peoples into the jail, and uh, after that uh, the Draupadi was Draupadi was and after that Draupadi was pregnant, and she gave born to the first baby boy. And after Kans knows that thing, the Draupadi gives birth to the cute baby boy. So he immediately came in that Pearson, and he just killed her first baby boy, and he killed him on in front of Draupadi, in front of naked eyes of Draupadi. And after that, like this, Kans killed all the babies of Draupadi, all the seven babies of Draupadi. And after that, Kans thought that when eight baby boy will born of Draupadi, then I also kill that the baby boy. But it's not happen. After borning the eighth baby boy of Draupadi, means the Lord Krishna, some storms came fastly, and after that the storm spoke that your son is the god, and your son has the so much power. So after that, when Krishna born, all of the jailkeepers get slept get sleeps immediately. They get slept by the power of Krishna, uh, and after that a door open. After that door open because of the power of Lord Krishna, and after that the father of Lord Krishna takes Krishna into the one box, and he kept that box with Krishna on his head, and he just start walking. And after that, he gives that uh, baby boy to the his friend Nand. He gives that baby boy to the Nand, and he took a baby girl with him, and the Nand's baby girl he took with him. And after that, becomes like all becomes like first, and all jailkeepers get wake up. And after that, they saw that the dad of Krishna is came back from by returning Krishna to by giving the Krishna to the Nand. And they all saw that uh, Draupadi gives birth to the cute little baby girl. And after that, one jailkeeper one jailkeeper goes to Kans, and he tells to Kans that Draupadi give birth to a baby girl. After that, Kans came fast, and Kans just pick up that baby girl and just killed that baby girl. So that after that, Draupadi after that the Draupadi said that uh, you have you afraid with my eight baby boy, but why you are calling to my eight baby girl? So he said that I don't want any baby in your life, because any baby is because yours any baby is too much harmful for me. So after that, one day he calls Putna, and he said to Putna, just kill all the babies which who who are born with the Krishna. And just Putna do this. Put, Putna gives her milk to all the Putna gives her milk to all that babies. And just Putna said that, and after that only Krishna is left by killing. So Nand said that all children are getting died, so who can play with my Krishna? So after that, the Putna comes at the Krishna's home, and she takes to Krishna, and Krishna drinks her milk, and he just bite to Putna, and he bite very badly, and Putna get died by biting of Krishna. And after that, all the villagers came to Nand and said, your the big devil Putna took to your baby uh, into forest, and just came fast. Otherwise she kills to your baby, uh, like another uh, another children of the village. So they came fast, and before they coming, they saw that before they coming, the little Krishna killed that Putna. So he wasn't very powerful, and he is very powerful. He was Lord Krishna, and he is Lord Krishna. After that, I hope you like the story. I hope you know the story before telling me, but I want to tell you the story, so I tell you. So I hope you like the story, and also like, and once again I'm telling you, happy Gopakala. So today we do so many boys just make just hill make a big crowd. People make a big crowd, uh, uh, and just celebrate this festival. It is a festival of it is a festival of Maharashtra. And I hope you like my today's video and today's story, and I hope you like and also like. So thank you guys.